WNBA offseason is heating up fast, but sneaker fans already have their eyes locked on the newest drop in Sabrina Ionescu's signature line. Even as her free agency status with the New York Liberty sparks major discussions, the Sabrina series continues to deliver consistent hype. Nike is rolling out a fresh Sabrina 3 Kids edition, dressed in a clean black and gray upper that keeps things sleek and simple. Strategic pops of white branding and a striking green sole give the pair a standout edge, making it a must-see release for young hoopers and collectors. Although Nike hasn't confirmed if adult sizing will follow, the subtle and versatile colorway hints that a full family run is likely. Fans can expect a $105 retail price and a December 1st release date, landing perfectly in time for the holiday season. With the WNBA landscape shifting and anticipation rising, this drop keeps Sabrina's sneaker momentum stronger than ever.